Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix image quality loss after compression using TinyPNG in 2026. So if your images look blurry, pixelated, or less sharp after compression, yeah, this guide will help you improve the quality step by step. First, make sure your original image is high quality before compressing it. Low quality images usually become worse after optimization. Next, avoid uploading the same compressed image again and again. So, repeated compression can reduce quality significantly. Now choose the correct image format before compression. I mean, PNG works better for graphics, while JPG is better for photos. So yeah, upload fewer images at once to monitor results more carefully. This helps you catch quality problems early. Next, compare the original and compressed versions side by side. If the quality drops too much, try using the original file again. Finally, resize very large images before uploading them to TinyPNG, so smaller dimensions often preserve better quality after compression. And that's how to fix image quality loss after compression using TinyPNG in 2026. Once you use the right formats and optimize carefully, your images can stay sharp while still having smaller file sizes. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more image optimization tutorials. Hey